The October the 14th. Just woke up here in Saudi Arabia, just checking on some charts and some interesting developments overnight. So some bad news on the pound came out over the weekend that the Brexit deal wasn't done. We've got some trend reversal potential on the 30-minute at the moment. What I'm looking for today is for this trend to remain intact. The London Open, I'm looking for a breakdown of the open range. We've got some trend here on the 30. The 1 hour is still grey, so that's kind of in the, we're going to follow the 30-minute trend today. So my target is 1.2500. I'm looking for a retest of this level here when we broke out of this level. Somewhere maybe at the bottom of this bar, this widespread down bar. I'm looking for a retest of that level because of, when we look back here, we've got some resistance here, right? So this is now a major support area. We've got a little bit of support under us at about this area here. I'm going to ignore that poke up there. I'm going to say that's 1.2563. So we've got a little bit of support at that level right now, and we're going to be coming down probably to test this major support level today to see if this holds. Those of you who enjoy the Fibonacci's, it's about a 38% retrace, which is here. It's about a 38% retrace. This key level for a major reversal, a lot of people will be saying Brexit bad news, key reversal 1.2 I've seen already in some forums, blah blah blah. News is designed to screw the trader's mind. So basically, I ignore the news. Tomorrow they could do a Brexit deal and the pound could go up 500. All we can do is trade the charts that are in front of us today. So I'm hoping for a decent pullback into the 1.2500 area. Potentially we could go to 1.244, 50% Fibonacci. But if this support area here breaks, then I'll be looking more to say, okay, the up move last week was kind of a trap move, okay? So for me, the 1.2500 test level is key. I am in an early position, 2 lots with a stop above 1.2660 at the moment, above this bar. And I'll be adding to that at the London Open if I see more further weakness, okay? So we're looking at that. Let's just insert the daily pivots. I haven't really spoken much about these, but I do like the pivot levels as well. They're quite good, so we can have a quick look at those as well. So I'm just going to pop those in the chart here, load those up, and right now we're at the daily pivot point, which is 1.2593 is a daily pivot point. We've got the S1 support level, which is potentially where we're going to go. We might just poke underneath the 1.2500 area. So we might potentially go to 1.2480 today if this trend remains intact. Let's have a look at the high of Asia is let's call it here, 1.2665. So, and we have a daily range of the pound of about 130 points at the moment, so that would give us a daily range limit of about 1.2530 to the downside if we got a full daily range. I don't expect the down days to be more powerful than the up days right now, but it might be, so we'll see what happens at London Open. There is a gap above us, people might say that gap might attempt to fill, but the fact of the matter is the chart is down, trend is down, the medium term indicator is down, and the 1 hour is rolling over. We can see the 1 hour here. We're kind of just sitting on the moving average now. So if this moves down a bit more, I think we'll definitely go and test this support level down here, about 1.2480 potential today. Okay.